So guys, so I saw something on Sealsend right now. So if you have created your wallet and your Sealsend wallet and you have not verified it now, so this video is for you. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Samuel. If you have not even created your Sealsend wallet right now, there's a video for it. So the link is going to be under this video description for you to know how to create your Sealsend wallet and for you to get it verified. So this is what you are going to do. So come to your Mrs. browser here. So click on extension. So this is my extension. I'm going to hit on Sealsend. So I'm going to unlock it with my this thing. So once I unlock it, you are going to see wallet address on initialized. So if you click on show more, you are going to see that under details here, you are going to see inactive. That means that your account is not active. So what you are going to do for your accounts to be active is come back to X again. You are going to see good news. We are extending Sealsend wallet activation support. Leave one comment including hashtag Sealsend, hashtag encrypted email. Second one, submit your blockchain address in the form. Don't miss out. This helps us streamline sending activation token. So this is for only 10,000 spots. So you are going to fill this form. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave a comment right here. I'm going to leave a comment. So once I leave a comment, so let me click on the Google form. So this is the Google form. The Google form, you are still going to find it under here. And for this link to their X post here, you are going to find this under this video, under my video description also. So if I click the link, so it's going to take me to the Google form where I'm going to fill the Google form. So you are going to see something like this. Sealsend wallet activation support. We are helping early users activate their wallets for Sealsend encrypted email by sending one ICE token to cover the activation requirement. Requires one incoming plus one outgoing transaction. Submit your blockchain wallet address below to request one ICE for activation. Limited to the first 10,000 users who apply. One submission per user. Please ensure you back up your mnemonic seed when creating your wallet. That means that you should write it down somewhere. So once activated, your wallet will be ready to send and receive encrypted emails and eligible for future Sealsend seal token distribution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tick on this record essay as the email to be included with my response. Please provide the link to your else reply by copying it from your response. Well done. Well done. So I'm just going to put in the hashtag Sealsend. So I'm going to hashtag encrypted email. Encrypted email is going to start with capital letter. Encrypted email. So the email too is capital letter. This one we have S. So you have to put it in that format. Well done. So I'm just going to send it like this. So once I send it, you are going to see sending post. So after that, I'm going to copy the link. So let me wait for it to even send finish. So this is my comment. Well done. Hashtag Sealsend, hashtag encrypted email. So I'm going to click on the share button, copy link, I'm just going to for the Google form. So I'm going to click on the Google form again. So please provide the link to your X reply by copying it from your response. So I'm going to paste it here, the link to your response on X. So your Sealsend wallet. So I'm going to go to my Mrs. browser right here. click on extension, click on Sealsend email and enter my pin. So this is right here. So I'm just going to scroll beside and right here and click on the button. So this is the button. So once I click on that, it's going to copied. So once it's copied, come back here, your Sealsend wallet address, ION blockchain, just paste it here. So this is all what you just need to do to receive this one ICE to activate your Sealsend wallet. Click on send. So Sealsend wallet activation support. So this is how you are going to receive your one ICE to activate your Sealsend wallet. So I'm going to see you my next video, guys.